In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game New World Aeternum on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like this video to support us. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So no worries, we will download it on another website. Quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time on it. And then search up the game New World Aeternum. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is very expensive at Steam. This game will be €59.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what we need to do is search up the same game, New World Aeternum, and then search. After that we will select games on the left side and then click on sort by price lowest first. The next step is to look for a PC version and then watch this text because this needs to be marked green so it can be activated in your country. This is very important. After that select the game, and once you have opened the game page you will find out that this game is already available for just €36.82 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game on this website and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.